Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel, and I would like to welcome all of my new subscribers. It's been a minute since I've posted a recent video. Last week or a couple of weeks ago, can't remember when exactly, I posted an old tutorial and pattern that I did back in 2018, the crystal crossbody bag. I finally was able to get that edited and get that up for you. And I apologize that the beginning of the video and the end of the video is so blurry. I have the hardest time with my camera. So call out. I have a Canon Rebel T6, I think. And for some reason, sometimes I can't get it to focus when it's pointing towards me. I'm recording this video on my phone, so I'm hoping that it's not, the volume is not low. I bought a little mic, so hopefully this mic works and the video is a little louder. But yeah, I have a hard time getting my camera to focus, my Canon camera, when it's focused on me. So I got to practice that. If you have any tips, please drop them in the comments below. Anyway, again, I know it's been a long time since I actually made a video. With everything going on in the world today, I just needed to take a mental break, and I needed to just rest because it's stressful out here right now. So, but I'm back. And I haven't been doing too much sewing. The only sewing that I've been doing is some tote bags and some Bible covers, some orders that I received. So that's what I wanted to show you today. All of the orders that I've made of tote bags and Bible covers. So let's get into it. All right, so this is one of the Bible covers, and it's made from the Alexander Henry fabric. If I find the exact name of the fabric, I'll pop it up on the screen, but it's the Alexander Henry fabric. And I bought this fabric years ago on fabric.com. And of course I checked and it's all out. It said it was expected to be back in on June 23rd, but I checked the site and it still was, they didn't have any more. And they actually plan on getting the one with the tan background. But anyway, this is one of the Bible covers. My customer, she chose this fabric. She saw it because I made a tote bag out of it, which I'll show you in a few minutes. And she wanted it, one of her Bible covers made out of this fabric. So, all right. And the other one, I chose the fabric. I got this fabric from Hobby Lobby a couple of months ago. Can't remember when. It was right when Hobby Lobby opened back up after we were shut down. And then Hobby Lobby, they were closed for a while, and then they opened up. And I just happened to be riding by, so I stopped in Hobby Lobby and picked this fabric up. I would say about a month ago, maybe, or maybe the beginning of June. I don't remember. And all right, I think I did a fabric haul. Did I do a fabric haul? It's been that long. Anyway, but this is the other one that I made, the other Bible cover that I made for her. All right, out of this fabric. I probably did a video and don't even remember. Right, so everything else is tote bags. So this is that Alexander Henry fabric again, and I made it, made a tote bag out of it. This is the marine vinyl on the bottom, right? This is my favorite. I love this one. And I sent this picture to a couple of my friends and a couple family members, and I had to make them one because they all ordered one. So now I'm out of fabric. So all that fabric I bought years ago off the site is gone. I do have it, I think, in a red and blue. The girls on there are red and blue. But yeah, this is my favorite. I love this. All right. The next one is this black and white. And this is a duck canvas that I got from Hobby Lobby many moons ago. I got this years ago. I think I have a video on the channel of me making the hobo bag out of this fabric. I've had this fabric a very, very long time. And then again, it has the black marine vinyl on the bottom. Okay. This next one is another one of my favorites. This is fabric that I got from, I can't remember if I got it from Hobby Lobby or if I got it from Joann's. I can't remember. It's been a while since I got it. I had some and I've been holding it in my stash for a while, and then once I made the tote bag, I went back and got some more from Hobby Lobby. For some reason, I think I did a fabric haul in the last couple of weeks and I had this fabric on. I can't remember. Charge it to my head, not my heart. And on the bottom, I put some denim on the bottom because I thought it would go great with, this is actually a cotton cloth fabric. All right. And last but not least, this is a fabric that I got from Walmart when I went to visit my mom. We went to Walmart and picked up this fabric. And on the bottom, again, I put the black marine vinyl on there. All right, so that's all I've made recently. I haven't really been in the mood to sew, but of course, when you get orders, you got to hit the sewing machine. So that's why I have only been making bags for people. I haven't made any garments. I put myself on garment punishment until I get myself healthy again, and then I can make myself some more garments. But other than that, hopefully I can start back doing some tutorials for the channel. My creativity has been stifled. I haven't had any epiphanies on tutorials or anything that I want to do right now, but I think I'm getting back to it. I've been saving stuff from Pinterest and kind of writing down ideas to kind of figure out what I want my next tutorial to be here on the channel. And also I want to, all those books that I've been showing you in my videos for the last couple of months, I want to dive into those handbag sewing books and making some of those patterns, and then doing a review for those here. If you want to know how to make the Bible cover, I will link that video in the description box below. During the 12 days of Christmas last year, I did a tutorial on how to make a Bible cover. I gave you the measurements and everything for the pattern, and I showed you step by step how to make the Bible cover. So I will link that video in the description box below for you guys. And there's also here on the channel, I'll link that video as well, where I show you how I modify the quick sew pattern to make the tote bags like this. I will also link that video in the description box as well. All right. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell to be notified each time I post a new video. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.